This captivating home on more than half an acre is truly one of a kind. Custom built around a tree that's been around for centuries, it's located on the south side of Oswego Lake in the coveted neighborhood of Palisades Heights. Tucked away for privacy, you'll enjoy a serene setting surrounded by lush landscaping. A grand entrance welcomes you home, leading to the dramatic formal living room with floor-to-ceiling windows and soaring ceilings. Brilliantly designed on 4 expansive levels, you'll find gorgeous hardwoods, high ceilings, and natural light throughout. The light and bright family room is framed with a gas fireplace and beautiful French doors. It opens to the kitchen featuring quartz countertops, a built-in refrigerator, large island, and even a built-in dishwasher with a remote control. A long, inviting hallway leads to a private office. Unwind in the generous master suite by the double-sided gas fireplace. Or relax in the luxurious master bath with a jetted tub and a huge walk-in shower. From your master bedroom, head out to one of several decks, offering the ultimate in privacy. The grand, elegant staircase takes you to an expansive second level in this home of more than 5,700 square feet. This level includes 2 large bedrooms, a private covered deck, and a large, light-filled bonus room, also with access to a deck. And a full bath, plus laundry room. On the top level, you'll find an oversized 4th bedroom, an entertaining space, and an incredible music and soundproof recording studio. A secret door leads to the huge 5th bedroom with a full bath and its own separate entrance, perfect for a guest quarters. Enter your own private oasis with multiple entertaining spaces to dine al fresco while listening to the soothing sounds of the water feature. Or explore the paths to find your own peaceful hideaway. An enchanting custom home in Palisades Heights. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.